thing you're going to do is make sure your system is turned off before you do any duct cleaning in your home. So come over to the system, hit system, and just go ahead and just completely hit off and listen for it to cut off. One of the most common questions we get when we enter a home is, do I need to get duct cleaning? One of the ways to figure out if you need duct cleaning is, does your grill look like this? If your register does have a lot of accumulation of dust or anything, the simplest things that you can do at your home is go ahead and remove the whole register, grab you a vacuum cleaner, and just vacuum inside your duct as far as you can reach, because most of your duct cleaning that you will need to be done will be at the first 90-degree turn or your first turn within your duct system. After that, usually your systems are pretty clean. After you've cleaned your return ducts in your home, put your grill back on. Since you've knocked so much dust loose in there, always remember to change your HVAC's air filter.